I'm the co-founder of 10xcoderkids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, and comment on below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. And today we are gonna finish our chapter dictionaries. So without any delay, let's begin. Okay. Okay, so we are gonna do Python dictionary method and oops, it was scrolled a bit too down. Yeah, so Python dictionary method, and we are gonna do Python exercise. So let's begin now. So what the Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on dictionary. It means that Python has created a lots of methods. You must be knowing the meaning of methods, of course, and you can use those methods. They will help you in doing your code, and yeah, so you can use them in dictionaries when you're doing the coding part, right? So first method it's saying is clear. Clear we have already done. It is like the ways of what does it does. Let's read its description. It removes all elements from the dictionary. So it removes, it's like a eraser. It erases full the key and the value pair both, but the dictionary is still there. It's not like the del keyword that it will completely delete the set. It's not like ha 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 ha, I'm evil. Okay, so let's go on. Now copy method I've already explained, and in that if you have not seen my if you don't know the copy method, then you have not seen the my before video, because that video is fully on the copy method, and this dict 2 is equals to this dict 1, so you need to watch it. Yeah, you will be thinking what, you will have to view it if you need to understand. Okay, so there's a copy method. It returns a copy of the dictionary. It will like there's a dictionary, it will not completely like sorry, I'm telling about the clear one. Copy method, what will you do, it will see that the in the dictionary it will loop on a dictionary, and it will see the key and value, and it will add it in the on in x variable, in a variable which we want, like this. So it's looping on this, and it's seeing the value, and then it's adding in this x, and like this we will get a copy of it. Now from keys, I don't know why it's going so down again and again. One second. Yeah, now it won't get an error. Now from keys, return. Okay, this is a new method, listen it very carefully. So from keys, what it will do, first it's you are giving an variable x which value is key 1, key 2, key 3, and we are giving another variable y, and its value is 0, and we are saying this dict dot from key x and y. So what will it basically do is, it will do that. First it will see uh, x first value is key 1, and it will give it the value 0. So we are converting it into a dictionary, and it will give it, so key 1. So now key 1 is the key, and it will assign this 0 as its value, and same with key 2 and key 3. So it will come key 1 0, key 2 0, key 3 0. See? Uh, okay, now um get we have already done. What will it do is, get method will return the value of the specified key. So if we want the value of model, you will give you will give the method get, and model's value will come. Model's value is Mustang, so Mustang is over here. Okay, let's go on. Now, items. Return a list containing a tuple for each key value and pair. Okay, items we have already done. So what does an item method do? It will get the key and value pair both. The key method, what it does is it will get only the keys, and the value method will only get the values, but the items method will get the key and value both. Okay, let's go on. Okay, keys, I just told you right now, it returns a list containing the dictionary's keys. So what the dictionary which we are making, in that all the keys which are there, it will get them. Now pop method, what does the pop method do? We have done that also. The pop method will remove the element we want it to remove. Like we want it to remove model and Mustang. So this is in remove items. So the pop method will remove this model and Mustang, and it will get brand Ford and year 1964. Okay, now pop item. Now this you need to learn. Yeah, so what does a pop item do? Sorry. Pop item is like it will remove the last item of the dictionary. So the last item is key value pair is year and 1964. So it will remove it and it will get brand, Ford, model and Mustang. Now set default, return the value of the specified key. If the key does not exist, insert the key with a specified value. Oh my god, this is very cool method. This is a very useful method and a very cool method also. So, what does this set default method do? That one second. Yeah. So, what does the set default method do? First, it says that car dot set default model and Bronco. So, it will go inside this car dictionary. It will see his model there. Yes, model is there, so it will print Mustang its value. Now, if here like there is no model here, okay. So now, what will the set default do? It will not get an error. It will it, because it's not there. It will insert that. It will insert the key. It will add it. It will add. So it will get now Bronco. So it has added this into the dictionary and it has got Bronco. Did you understand? I will make you understand again. What will it do? It will go inside the dictionary. It will check if model and Mustang is there or not. Model, key, and its value is there or not. Yes, it is there, so it will get Mustang. But as we had seen, it was first if it's not there. Then the set default method, it will add it, model and Bronco, it will add the new key value pair and it will get Bronco, model's value. Okay. Now, update method also we have done. What does the update method do? It inserts the item, like we want to insert color and white, so you can use the update method and insert it. See, color and white. Now, values method. Oh, we have done this also. I told you also. So the what does the values method do? It will return a list, and whatever in the dictionary, whatever values are there of the keys, it will get that into in a list. So if we want to so now it will get Ford Mustang and 1964. Yay! We have done our dictionary methods chapter. So now we can do exercises. I will not give the answer. You will give me the answer and I will tell you if it's correct or not. Use the get method to print the value of model key of the car dictionary. So we want it's saying that you use the get method and get this Mustang, the value of model. Okay, I've heard you what you're trying to say. So you have said me that you'll say car dot get and model. Oops, model, right? So yes, that's correct. So it will get correct. Next exercise. Change the year value from 1964 to 2020. Tell me. Yes. So you will do car, you will give the square brackets, and you will give the year, the name of that key, and over here you will change the value and write 2020. Good. Add the key value pair color and red to the car dictionary. We want to add this. So how will we do it? Oh, I'm sorry. You're trying to say that you're saying that car color and over here this and red. No, guys. When you're adding a new thing, a new key and value pair, you will give an equal to sign, not an colon. Okay. Use the pop method to remove model from the car dictionary. I think so. You need to answer this. You will have to do it for me. Yes, correct. You will do car dot pop, and in these brackets you will give model, and yay, we have done. Correct. Last exercise. We need to get it correct, okay? Use the clear method to empty the car dictionary. Oh, this is very easy. I literally just told you. You need to get this, please. Yes! You will give car dot clear and like this. Yes! Very good. And you will not give an item inside this. Okay. So, yeah, because clear method will completely erase it, right? So, yay, we have done. So guys, I hope you like the video. Did if you did, smash that like button, share this video and comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Bye. Dab. 3 and a 2 and a 1 and now.